How to fix and solve Walmart order cancellation. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve Walmart order cancellation issues. Now if your Walmart order is cancelled, you could check your account for an email notification. Now review the reason for cancellation and consider contacting customer service to resolve the issues. Now here's some detailed explanations, such as you could go ahead and check your account or just log into your walmart.com and check for the purchase history. So go ahead and open up your walmart.com and log into your account, and then you could go ahead and check for the history or the purchase history. Now if you're facing this Walmart order cancellation issue, then what you could also do is sometimes outdated version can lead to this sort of issue. So go to Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Walmart. When you type in Walmart here, you want to go ahead and check whether you have updated your application or not. After updating your application, check whether the issue has been solved or not. If not, you could also try cleaning your cache as well as data. So for that, you want to long press the Walmart application, go to the app info section, and then you want to go to storage and cache, and here click on clear cache. And if you go ahead and click on clear storage, this is going to delete your data permanently. Only if you're sure about it, then go ahead and tap on it, or else just leave it. Once you've done it, so go ahead and log in and check whether the issue has been solved or not. If nothing seems to be working out, then come back to the app info page one more time, and go to this force stop, and make sure to force stop the application for certain minutes, and after which you could go ahead and disable it or enable it, and you should be able to fix your issue. And despite of doing all of these methods, you're still unable to fix it, so then you could try uninstalling the application and then restarting your device. Once again, reinstall the Walmart application, try checking whether the app has been fixed or not, and that should be able to solve your issue. So these are some of the ways to fix and solve Walmart order cancellation. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.